close enough to be struck by lightning. National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Mercer County, southern Henry County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sherrard, or 8 miles south of Moline, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Kewanee, Cambridge, Geneseo, Kelowna, Galva, Burgess, Orion, Viola, Woodhull, Matherville, Alpha, Sherrard, Andover, North Henderson, Cable, Shale City, New Windsor, Warner, Bowdoin, and Lynn Center. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 10 and 21. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 14 and 33. Take cover now.